If you need to transfer a car title in California, here's how to do it step by step. Open your browser and search for Transfer a Car Title in California. Look for the official DMV site that ends in .gov. Once you're on the page, give it a moment to load. Right at the top, you'll see an option to start the transfer online, but don't jump into it yet. Let's go through what you need first. Whenever the owner of a car changes, like after a sale, gift, or even paying off a loan, that change has to be reported to the California DMV within 10 days. It's also required when you're adding or removing names, or if you're inheriting the vehicle. To complete the transfer, you'll need a few things. First, either the original California title or, if that's missing, a completed replacement form. That's Form REG 227. You'll also need signatures from both the seller and the buyer. If there's a line holder, their signature is required too. Once the forms are signed, you'll pay a transfer fee. In some cases, other fees may apply, like use tax, registration, or penalties, depending on your situation and your county. You can submit your paperwork and payment either by visiting a DMV office or mailing it to the DMV's Sacramento address. If you're in a hurry, there's also a rush processing option for an extra fee. Scroll down the page and you'll see a list of additional forms you may need depending on the details of your transfer. Make sure to double-check which ones apply to your situation before you begin. Once everything's in order and you've gathered the documents, you can go back to the top of the page and click the button to begin the title transfer online. That's all you need to get started. Just follow the prompts and the system will walk you through the rest.